can take it back and bring it out again.
No, you're all right. That's spot on. Thank you.
Service with a smile.
Welcome to Mid Bike Crisis. Welcome to Mid Bike Crisis.
Say that again. Get you on YouTube later. We've got Emma's bike on the Seaways Facebook page for tonight for the bike night, and the fan's just gone off on the blade. Red hot. Now we're just gonna have a Dr. Pepper, full fat sugar, and a sausage roll. And then we're going to go up to where we're off? Whitby. Scarborough.
Nowhere with steep hills, not Whitby.
Nowhere with steep hills.
Can't be doing hill starts. I hate a hill start.
Why is that?
It's just horrible, isn't it?
Well, I can take it back and bring it out again.
No, you're all right. That's spot on. Thank you.
Service with a smile. Bit of a sausage roll. Seaways. A few bikes here, ready for bike night tonight. Right, we're gonna have a...
Bloody hell, I can't eat it. Just got the other. You better go up.
Nice. Right, let's have a little walk around, see what we've got. It's nice. Speed twin. ZR. It's tardy. It's tardy, like a Norton. I like that. That's beautiful. Commando, gorgeous. Triumph, that's a Bonneville. Nice bike. Another one, Z900, lovely bike. Old Africa Twin. Collect mine on Saturday. Traded in the Harley Fat Bob for new Africa Twin. So I can carry on riding throughout winter. That's nice. Stealthed. Blacked out Goldwing. Beautiful. You'll like them. Pan-European, that's nice. Hey, mate, all right. Tidy, that's nice. Little GS, another blade. Hey, mate, all right. What reg is yours? What year?
Why? RRY.
I've got an 02.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Much different then, will it?
No, it looks like that's what I thought. 954.
954.
954.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so well, I've got my gearbox knackered, so I've got a gearbox out of a 929. It fits straight in the 954.
Oh,
which is, I bought it last year, rode it for 4 weeks, and then fourth gear just went, just like almost exploded.
The Dogger Fox.
Oh, yeah.
On it, and gearbox was just shot.
Yeah,
that got done. I've had it about 2005. I bought it.
Oh, right. Oh, quite a long time. Bloody hell. Yeah, I've just bought a new blade. I've got 24. I love it. I mean, I was 50 last year, and I'm off the opposite. I'm getting back into sports bikes. I think I should be going more comfort, shouldn't I? But
I'm going 4 wheels.
Yeah.
On the Porsche track, and I'm like, I want to get my bike back on. I love it.
Bikes are mint.
Because I get on with it.
Yeah.
I like it. I keep it. It costs me now. So.
Yeah. Oh, we're going up in money though, then. It'll be worth a few quid, I reckon.
Yeah, well, I just think I don't want to get rid of it now.
That's lovely, that. Really nice.
It does what it does, you know. It had one owner before me, so.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's tidy, that. Yeah, it's lovely. Really nice. Yeah, mine's red, so it's all completely stock. So, it had an end can on it and a few bits. I've just took it off and put it all back to complete standard, really, now.
I've got the standard gear for it.
Yeah.
But I'd keep it in the
if you ever sell it, it'll be worth more with it. All these, put it all back to standard.
Well, I kept it. I've got everything that goes with it. I've got documents from new, so, which is rare, and it's got the original toolkit in it.
Yeah. Yeah, that is tidy. That is nice. I don't know what they go. I mean, the prices are all over. I mean, the 954. I've seen them for like 10 grand. Really? Yeah, honestly, they're original ones. I was at Miles Kingsport last month. Guy Martin was there, and I went on my 954, and he's got the exact same bike. So he sat on it. I got a couple of pickies, which was quite nice. He went, "Oh, your bar end, everything is standard apart from your bar end weight, which were R and G." So I went straight to shot. Yeah, I went, Mike, do us a favour, sort of get something. I went, there's nothing wrong with them, I know, but yeah, but look, Guy Martin said.
He's told you now.
He's told us.
Doing that, I've got my can.
You like it, yeah?
Yeah, I love it, yeah. I had a few teething troubles with it, but after that, it's fine.
E-clutch, yeah?
Brilliant. Do you like it?
I don't know, she loves it.
Yeah.
I love it for when you are round town, roundabouts, all of that. It's just one less thing to think about. Just put your gears and you're done.
Can you feel it change? Yes, can you feel them changing?
Not bit.
No?
It's like
smooth, it's real smooth. Yeah.
It's like
smoother than the clutch.
It's like a quick shifter basically, isn't it? But you don't have to pull the clutch, but you can use the clutch as well.
Yeah.
I was saying we've got a drive that's full of gravel, and I use the manual clutch down that because it's feather my brake. I don't feel comfortable feathering the brake with it in the e-clutch.
Yeah.
You probably could, but I just don't. I think for me, with sour drives, quite a difficult navigation.
I nearly dropped that the other day. Yeah, so all that real loose gravel, it's not compacted down yet, and I was turning it that round, like, fucking hell, nearly lost it.
So went over the other day, didn't we? Yeah, always do.
Well, you get loads over here, don't you?
What day were you in, that guy? What bike was it?
He was on an Africa Twin, and he was pulling it, but he got his missus on, and he was pushing it back here. With his missus on, went over onto a brand new FireBlade. And then we're in there, and then I think that went over on another bike, didn't it?
But why do it with someone like that?
Big heavy bike like that, yeah. A Goldwing went over.
Goldwing, isn't it?
Honestly, I think.
Bloody hell.
Sorry? I've got that. That's
What was that? You get naked? What was that? Do you like getting naked on your bike? Right, that's it. We're off up to Ormsey now for a cup of tea. Let's get on the bike and get off.